So today I'm just going to put these stacker drawers in the van to check out the layout and the dimensions, and they're not full of my material possessions yet. Just want to see what I can stack, because that insulation takes off a couple of inches from what I was used to. Yeah, you see there, I can't lift the top stack into that little ceiling gap. Pythagoras, not on my side this time. Okay, so I'm going to put the long-term storage down underneath and then see how many high I can stack the drawers on top. Put the drawers back in. Okay, both long-term units in, then the stack of drawers on top of that. I go back in and get some more and walk through the trench of unsorted material possessions in the tiny house. Careful not to trip over anything on the way down into the snow. And there it is. I'm going to have to do this with each and every last bloody one of them. So I'm wondering if I can take these stackers apart, so I can just maybe take the bottom one off this 3 stack. There I can, yes. Make it into a 2 stack and then put it on top of the other 3 stack to make a 5 stack. Will it work? So it looks like I've got 2 different types, one from Aldi, one from Lidl. Look how brittle that plastic is, like Bakelite. It's always one difficult one. So, if these are compatible, I can have a 5 stacker in the middle. Yes. Oh, you know what I've done? Oh, I put it on 180 degrees, out of phase. What a berk. Oh well, you live and learn. Or horrible things happen. Alright, let's try and think about which shelves to put which here in terms of most used, most accessible. And one left over. Yes! Lovely. I'm just daring to imagine if I keep it tidy in here, which is another unlikely scenario, then could I have a place to put my feet, a tabletop? Let's see what the space is in here. Oh, from your point of view, it looks like one of those magic rooms where you walk in the door and suddenly you fill the room. Well, that's the inside of the van. Well, I can just sit up in here, although it'll probably be an inch higher once I've got the bedclothes on, maybe 2 inches if you include the duvet. Yeah, a good recline, the feet there, the door will close there. Could be my most luxurious build yet. Well, I'm glad the military are busy, but think about it, if we have one world government, who would the military fight? Right, let's make this as comfy as possible. So I put down the mat on top of the door, blow up a mattress, and then put my 1-inch memory foam topper on there. Right, under the bulkhead divider, and see if I can clip it round to the corners of the door. It looks a bit mouldy and stained, doesn't it? I mean, I never washed it since the first time I spilled milk on it in Glastonbury about 9 months ago. Yeah, oh well. Yeah, that old sleeping bag's had its day. Let's try this Poundland throw on it. Smooth. All I've got to do now is bring out the bedding, pillows, 2 duvets, and I'm laughing, but oh god, doesn't look like I've got enough room for my feet there, does it? I wonder how long it'll take me to pick all the splinters out of this duvet. But it was nice sleeping next to a log fire for the winter. Summer duvet, winter duvet, might need them both together until, trigger warning, the diesel heater is fitted. It might not happen before I leave the lodge. So it appears that I must cut another nearly a foot off the partition here. Yeah, I remember when I didn't think it seemed right that I needed to cut 2 feet off, and I didn't. Well, now I have to do that. Silly Billy. And now look, I'm going to get all these crumbs of polystyrene, what you Yanks would call styrofoam, all over my bedding. Oh no. I thought the splinters were bad. It's the glamorous life of the self-build stealth camper van man. Hey, what do you know? I've got a little portal for my feet to go in. Just reinforce that hinge with a bit of duct tape. And then maybe the fresh cuts need to be covered too, so they don't keep dripping the foam onto my bed. Yes. Dare I say, this is looking nearly professional. I might use those bungees to hold the stack of drawers in. I don't want them falling over on the corners. I feel that bulkhead needs cheering up a bit. Oh yes. Definitely. That's more like it. Right, what's next? Storable food?